right here. So I think it is time for you to give your message. Thank you sa appreciation. Thank you. Una-una po sa lahat, of course, gusto ko magpasalamat sa Playtime for welcoming me into this exciting journey. Sobrang honored po ako to be part of this family, kasama po si Bossing Vic Soto. At lalo na to represent a brand that's not just about play, but also about revolutionizing online entertainment. To our present media press, maraming salamat po for coming. Thank you so much na binigyan niyo po kami ng oras ninyo. Sana po matulungan niyo kami ikwento sa lahat ang gaming at online entertainment ay hindi lang po tungkol sa laro. Kung hindi tungkol din po ito sa fun, bonding at responsible enjoyment. Para naman po sa public at sa lahat ng supporters ko, maraming salamat po. You've been with me through so many chapters of my life. And this one is really special. Kasi ang Playtime for me, hindi lang to platform. It's a community where we can connect, collaborate, celebrate, and enjoy together. And syempre marami pa po tayong aabangan. Mga exciting features, mga content, collaborations, and many ways to play, to win, and to share happiness online. At syempre po sa Playtime users natin, wala po kami dito kung hindi po dahil sa inyo. Kayo po ang heartbeat ng platform na ito. And I'm so excited to grow and enjoy with you guys. Together, let's make every moment of Playtime memorable. Playtime na! Playtime na!
Thank you so much kasi excited mo kaming lahat dito for you to be here with Playtime. And I know that everyone here is just as looking forward